All right, well, we are in store for quite a wet evening. Showers and thunderstorms already beginning to push in here. Some of this already reaching the upper peninsula in Wisconsin, not really showing up on radar, but the showers just off to our west here, at least the main line of it back into Minnesota and just pushing into Wisconsin right now. We are in store for a lot of wet conditions, and then some of those thunderstorms that are coming in could be heavy at times, and if not just a few isolated severe storms. But not expecting wide severe weather, but for right now, seeing those clouds roll on in. 73 degrees, winds out of the west at 6 miles per hour. And look at temperatures across the region, really warming up for us in the mid to upper 70s. Farther west, seeing more of those numbers, but getting ready to cool off pretty quickly with the rain that's moving in. 79 in Ironwood, 81 right now in Crystal Falls, and 81 down into Menominee. Eastward, only in the upper 60s in Munising and Manistee, with winds coming out of Lake Michigan. 73 right now in Escanaba and Ishpeming at 79 degrees. But things will change for us drastically by tomorrow. We'll talk about that later here in the show, in the segment. But right now, winds coming in from that west-southwesterly direction. 16 in Escanaba, 13 in Munising, while at 7 in Iron Mountain, and at 13 right now as you go over into Ironwood. Expect by tomorrow to see a different wind coming out of the north after the system does push its way off to the east, bringing in more of that cooler air behind the system, and winds could be high at times. And temperatures all across the UP in the mid to upper 70s, even going into lower Michigan, seeing more of those numbers at 75 degrees in Rogers City, 76 right now in Gaylord, and at 78 in Grand Rapids. So the heat definitely rebounded over the weekend. It wasn't too bad for us over the 4th of July holiday, but we are going to see more of those cooler conditions as we go into tomorrow, and maybe even for Wednesday, with tonight bringing us a lot of heavy rain. So definitely have the umbrellas if you'll be heading out there, or maybe even the rain jackets, but it will continue to see rain as we go into early tomorrow morning. Now, it looks like we'll have partial clearing as we head later on into the day on Tuesday, but with that coming in, that's going to bring in the high pressure, the cool area of high pressure, and winds look to be pretty substantial for us as well, closer to 20 miles per hour throughout the day tomorrow, and then dying off a bit as we get into tomorrow night. But high pressure will help to bring back the sunshine as we go into Wednesday, and Wednesday looks to be a better day for us as opposed to what we'll see tomorrow, as highs will try to flirt with the 70-degree mark, and then Thursday getting a little bit better for us there. But this is what we're expecting. The showers continue to work their way in from the northwest, and a lot of warmth out in front of that system. And let's take a look at that on our Futurecast model. Showers continue to work their way in. Here we are right here getting into the evening hours. Heavy showers and thunderstorms indicated by the reds and the oranges and the yellows that you see on here. And that all comes throughout the evening for us. Seeing that by tomorrow, they will start to push its way off to the east. Some showers early in the morning, but then starting to see partial clearing as we head into the evening hours. And by tomorrow night, we should be very clear, but with clearing skies and that cooler air mass in place, once again, it looks like we'll find ourselves in the 40s for overnight lows as we go into Tuesday night, and perhaps even as we go into our Wednesday night. But tonight we'll drop down to 52 degrees with that rain moving in, wet and pretty windy for us, with winds starting to pick up behind that front around 10 to 20 miles per hour. And on Tuesday, cooler and becoming less cloudy, and maybe some of those early showers during the morning hours. Winds out of the north at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Here's a look at your highs. 65 degrees in Lawrence, calling for 67 in Ontonagon, 70 degrees in Crystal Falls, while at 70 in Florence, 65 in Houghton, at 69 a little farther south in Escanaba, and at 69 in Manistee, while at 63 degrees in Munising. So quite a change for us from what we have seen over the past 2 days from Sunday and also from today. Your 7-day forecast, AM showers possible for us, but we'll start to dry out later into the afternoon on Tuesday, a high of 64. Finding ourselves at 70 degrees as we go into Wednesday under mostly sunny skies with high pressure in control, and we'll keep those sunny skies intact as we go into Thursday afternoon at 74. More than mid-70s as we go into the end of the week, and it looks like rain chances will not be around for us as we go into the end of the week. It looks to be dry for the time being, and it looks like lows will actually start to rebound as well back into the mid and upper 50s.